Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and this week we've got 3 different dent pullers. Now, some dents, you're not going to take your car to a body shop, and a dent is not always on a car. Sometimes they're on your washing machine, or your dishwasher, or a garage door. They're really simple to use and really handy to have around. Let's check them out. Now here we have the YOOHE Car Dent Puller Kit. It's a great kit for those smaller dents or creases. This one's a little bit different in that it uses an adhesive to pull out the dent. It comes with a variety of pull tabs that you glue onto your dent and then pull out with the slide hammer. It also comes with some pull tabs that are used for the creases, and you can replace the tip on this and use this crease puller, and it'll pull out that crease, no problem. Now, it comes with non-toxic glue that will not damage the finish on your car. It comes with a glue gun and everything you need to remove the adhesive once your dent is out. For 40 bucks, you can get these on Amazon. Remember, that's the YOOHE Car Dent Puller Kit. Now here we have the KLUTCH Heavy Duty Dent Puller. It's a really basic dent puller, better for those larger dents. Let's say you've got one in your car door or your garage door. All you have to do is press this thing on. The big cup here will suction to the dent, pull the dent out, and then release the tool from your now flat surface. Now another really good way to use this tool are for larger format tile and glass panels. All you have to do, press it on, and you're good to go. Release it when you're done. There you have it. Now these can be found at Northern Tool for about $22. That is the KLUTCH Heavy Duty Dent Puller. Here we have the KLUTCH Pneumatic Dent Puller. Now really this is a pro version that you can use at home as well to pull out those big dents. It uses compressed air. The air pushes through into the handle where the force gets reversed into a suction against the cup. The cup will stick to the dent, and then you can use this 3-pound hammer to pull out the dent. Easy as that. It comes with 3 different size cups to pull out a variety of dents. You can find these at Northern Tool for $150. Remember, that is the KLUTCH Pneumatic Dent Puller. So there you have it. 3 awesome dent pullers. We had the simple suction cup holder by KLUTCH. We had the YOOHE glue-on dent puller kit, and we had the KLUTCH Pneumatic Dent Puller. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. We'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.